Hello, this is Amina. Welcome to HW News English. A petition has been filed in the Supreme Court in regards to the demolition of the Supreme Court building. This petition has been filed in the Supreme Court, which seeks direction to the Union Government and the top court registry to not demolish the Supreme Court building. This petition seeks to make a new building in another place instead of demolishing the current Supreme Court building. In the plea, it is mentioned that the building of the Supreme Court of India is one of the important memorial buildings which was built after the independence of India. According to the plea, in the Supreme Court building, many courts, tribunals and government establishments working in private properties on rental basis may be accommodated. This project of construction of new Supreme Court building was announced by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on January 28 during the inaugural speech at the Diamond Jubilee celebrations of the Supreme Court. The Prime Minister had announced that the centre has approved Rs 800 crores of expansion of the Supreme Court's complex. PM Modi had also hoped that no petition is filed to stop the construction of the new building as it was done under the Central Vista case. The petitioner is KK Ramesh. He contended that the Supreme Court building needs to be used for another purpose instead of demolishing it. The plea seeks direction to the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, Ministry of Law and Justice, Secretary General of the Supreme Court. In the PIL, it is mentioned that the Supreme Court building has 17 courtrooms and 2 registrar courtrooms. The PIL then mentions that the centre is going to demolish the entire Supreme Court building and then spend Rs 800 crore on rebuilding a new building with 27 courtrooms with 4 registrar courtrooms. The plea added that making 27 courtrooms with 4 registrar courtrooms will not help after 10 years because of the fast-growing economy and civilization. The number of cases in the Supreme Court would also increase rapidly. The plea says that after 10 years, the new building with 27 courtrooms may lead to huge inconvenience for Indians. Further, the petitioner said that the central government has still not released the design of the new Supreme Court building. The petition mentions that central government did not discuss with the common people and the bar associations about the new building design. In the petition, it is also mentioned that since centre has agreed that the Supreme Court building has no damage or threat to fall, so it could be used for another purpose instead of demolishing it. So this is the whole case. The centre under Central Vista project has planned to construct new building for the Supreme Court of India and demolish the current one. However, according to the petitioner, the government has still not released the design plan of the new building. The petitioner's demand is not to demolish the current building and instead use it for another purpose. Well, that's all for this news report. Till then, keep watching HW News English and download our app News Shorts to get the latest news and updates.
A grueling 6-week-long general election in India is coming to an end. 543 constituencies across the length and breadth of India.
लोकसभा चुनाव 2024 आ चुका है अपने अंतिम पड़ाव पर। कौन होगा विजय? किसकी बनेगी सरकार?
Will the BJP do 400 par, a claim made by the Prime Minister, or will the opposition India Alliance stage a comeback?
अब की बार
Join us as we bring to you expert analysis and incisive and in-depth perspectives on who has the edge.
पाए सटीक विश्लेषण, बिना किसी शोर, बिना किसी सनसनी, हमारे इस विशेष लाइव।
So join us for the exit poll on the 1st and for the final results on the 4th. See you then.
Exit polls coverage on 1st June 6:30 p.m. onwards. Result day on 4th June 7 a.m. onwards.
सिर्फ HW न्यूज इंग्लिश और HW न्यूज नेटवर्क पर।
Stay ahead with our cutting edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.